Hey you guys, welcome back. I just walked inside of Ross and the first thing I see is this mermaid pillow, super cute. Let's see. Okay, I don't see a price on it, but they got some cute pillows right here. I like this one. You got that one, and this one has glitter all over it. Okay, so I figured I'd look at some shoes first. Superstar, look at these Adidas with the pineapples all over them. I like those. Those are $39.99. See down here, look at these Katy Perry for only $21.99. They are a kitten heel, which is not the cutest, but these are cute. $21.99, that's not bad. Look at these. These are some cute Converse. 6.5. If I find these in my size, I will definitely get those. These are $22.99. They kind of look like the LaFleur ones by Tyler the Creator, but they're not, but I like those. You got these Steve Maddens right here. They're platforms for $14.99. These signature ones are $24.99. Here's some Kinsey platform sandals for $22.99. I like those. And then here's some more Converse up here. These are like patent leather. They're $24.99, and you probably can't see them in the camera, but they have like sprinkles in them, like silver. Oh, these are really cute by Report, and they're $22.99. They have that tan color, and then they have this color right here, $24.99. So there's like a $2 difference, I guess, in the detail, but they're both cute. And oh my goodness, I spotted these up here, and I have to look at these. Clear Nike boots. Wow, I've never seen those before. And they are $49.99. They have the strap in the back and they zip up on the side. Those are different. I spotted this little shower curtain set, and it's different. I like it, but it's really different with the little eyes on it. And it comes with this black rug. You get a liner, you get a floor mat. Look at that. And the shower curtain. And let's see, these are $22.99. Okay, over in the purses, they do still have a lot of florals. This is Guess right here with the pretty floral pattern on it for $39.99. Mark New York, $29.99. This one is Guess for $29. You got that giant Steve Madden bag down there. Here's another Steve Madden bag, the same as that pink one right there. And these are $39.99. You get the big bag and the smaller bag with it. And they also have that one in black and white. Okay, this one is cute. Steve Madden, $19.99. And it comes with a little tie on the side. A little short handle. But that's cute. Oh, this one caught my eye. I really like this one. It's a little too big for me, but it's really nice. $18.99. And I don't see a brand on it, but it's really cute. It has a tassel. In case anybody is looking, they do have a lot of comforters and stuff in here, just in case. I'm not gonna really go through a lot. Like this queen one is $50, well, it says queen, but it says cow king, so they're confused. $54.99. And that is a 10-piece set. You got Sleeping Company 4-piece sets. You got all kind of different sets. Look at this one with the Eiffel Towers on it. This one has this little pillow that comes with it. 4-piece full queen for $29.99. So look at this. They have a whole bunch of them in case anybody's looking to switch out your bedding. Okay, I always come over here to check out their pillows because they have some really nice throw pillows. Between Ross and Burlington, I think they have the nicest throw pillows. Look at that, Boss Lady. And it's big too, can you tell? Look at that. Well, I don't see a price on this one, so I'm not sure, but probably around $9.99, I would guess. And then what is that? Oh, a giant unicorn. Unicorn vibes. Let's see, what are these? Some blue and white cats. Let's see, those are $8.99. They're kind of cute, a little different. I like this dish right here, which I dare not try to pick up that one. $10.99. Oh, they got some more blue and white stuff over here. This bird is $7.99, very pretty. You got this one. This is $6.99. I like this canister right here. And this elephant. That is $10.99. Oh, look at this. $9.99. You got this candle holder. That's beautiful. For $12.99. Oh, this is pretty. I was actually looking for another one. I kind of like this one, but I don't know. $12.99. I'll think about that one as I walk around. Ooh, look at those lamps. Those are definitely glam for $27.99 a piece. And that's what they look like up close. What is this? It's a lamp. Oh, I bet that's pretty when you light that up. Oh, can I see how much? Ooh, that is $19.99. Okay, why did this just catch my attention? And it's super funny. They see me rolling, and it's the toilet paper roll for $6.99. And I also see a So Fresh and So Clean. Okay, they got some cute little signs down here. This home has endless love and endless laundry. I know that, right? Whip it good. That would be cute in the kitchen. $7.99 for these. Cute little decor that you can just stand up or you can use for storage. You got that size. And this really big one for $10.99. Oh, I thought this was really pretty. It's a group of orchids all, you know, put together for $12.99. This is my favorite flower. I do have something like this one already in the house, the real big one. So I don't know, but I'm thinking this one is pretty. I just don't know if I'm liking that pink so much. Oh, there goes that giant fork again. Remember the last time I was at Ross, I showed you guys the fork and the spoon. These are $12.99. Oh, really pretty art. These are like the metal art. This one, this flower is $29.99. You got some feathers. That is $29.99 as well. That one says Believe. There's another flower back there, a little peach color. And a few other things. This giant thing is $29.99. Okay, so from what I can see today, they don't have a lot of furniture out. Sometimes it's hit or miss. They have a lot sometimes. And then other times they don't have any. So this is what I see. I do like this shelving unit right here for $79.99. Look at this little stool. That's different. And it's on those silver legs. Oh, look at that set over there. That's like a stool. And then this one, I'll have to go around and look at the price. Okay, so this one is $36.99. And then this one right here is $34.99. I don't know, this one is different. I like that. These cute little tables down here are $29. Wow, look at that. $49.99. Ooh, and it's heavy, but it's cute. Oh, that's a nice chair. It looks really comfortable too and soft, and it's $99.99. And then you got this tree right here. I'm looking for something like this, but I don't really like that one. And I don't see a price on that. Cute little trays over here. And this rounded one is $59.99. And then back here, you got some more pictures. Look at those, like pop art right there. Real colorful, $12.99. But look at her back here, $13.99. That's nice. Okay, so I am done in Ross. I'm gonna get out of here. If I did pick up anything, you guys will see a haul. And I thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Okay, bye. Hey, there's a Leo. You guys know my birthday's in August. I am a Leo, Leo the Lion. That is $20.99.